It's like a McMuffin, but healthy. What's up, guys? Today I'm giving you a recipe for these 2 macro-friendly breakfast sandwiches. Delicious.
We're going to start off by weighing out the ground beef for the sausage patties, and then once that's done, we're going to add some black pepper, salt, and garlic powder to it. On top of that, I've also put some habaneros in. It's in the bowl, mix it all up, and turn it into patties like this. Then while those are baking, grab 2 eggs and some egg whites. What you're going to do is put the eggs in a bowl and add 200 grams of egg whites to it, and then also add salt and pepper, whatever other spices you want to it. Stir it up like your left wrist is an egg beater. You're going to dump that entire bowl of egg mixture into an already warmed up frying pan. Put just a little bit of water in there to help it steam and cover it with the lid, and then this is how I got a perfect flip to it. Simply by placing the cooked eggs onto the lid and then putting that into the pan upside down. The bread portion of it, I found these amazing little English muffin type things that are only 98 calories each. Quarter off your eggs so they're going to be stackable, and then you're good to go. You can toast the muffins a little first if you like, but once you're ready, throw the eggs on, then the ground beef patty, and then a little bit of cheese. Throw that in your oven over broil for a few minutes. If you like, you can add a little bit of barbecue sauce for taste, but aside from that, put the top on, serve them up, and enjoy.
Follow me for more recipes and tips.